strenuous 11-kilometre hike with 8 hills to climb and plenty to see. We're going off-grid as we count down Hong Kong's 10 best hikes right here on Drone and Phone. Well, welcome to the third episode in our Hong Kong's 10 best hikes. We're counting down. We're on now number 8. What are we doing today?
8. So we're here now in Wu Gao Tan, and then we're gonna go up to Mirror Pool, Bryce Pool, and then we're gonna visit the 8 immortals again.
Pat Sin Leng now. This is going to be a lot tougher than our previous hikes. We've got a long day ahead of us. Let's see if we make it. Let's go, George.
Let's go.
There have been many attempts to rank Hong Kong's best walks, but we believe we have come up with a formula that outdoes them all. We took weeks to gather data and come up with our top 10 list. For this episode, we start at Tai Po Market MTR and get a minibus through to Wu Kau Tung village, where we start off along the river to Bride's Pool. So George is improvising with his walking sticks here.
You know, one of the 8 immortals also has this wooden stick.
He sees himself as a Chinese god now. There are 2 beautiful waterfalls to see before crossing Bride's Pool Road and heading up to the Pat Sin Leng Nature Trail.
Okay, so starting from here, we are now hiking up Pat Sin Leng. So the route we picked today is quite a gentle walk. This is actually my 3rd time climbing up Pat Sin Leng. The first time we came up from Hoc Tau, it was a straight steep hike, and then last time I hiked up from Tai Mik Tu, it's also a really steep hike. But today, it's all good now.
Yeah, I've got to say this has been so far quite a pleasant walk. I think we've probably done the bulk of the climb, though it is going to get steep from this part onwards. It may be the easy way up in George's book, but it's still quite a climb. The first of the 8 immortals sits at 513 metres, so expect a lot of steps before you get to look out over Plover Cove. Top, we meet 2 fans of the show.
Hey George.
Oh, me as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Whoa. I'm so thrilled.
From this point onwards, it's a straight ridge walk with 7 more peaks to climb. This hike would make it to my top 5 list in Hong Kong. As tough as it is, the remoteness of the ridge and the beauty of the landscape make it the perfect city escape. Well, we've just finished 2 of the 8 immortals. If I turn around this way, you can see the ridge going off in that way. Still got a way to go, probably another couple of hours to reach the end of that, and then going on from there. We've just actually met 2 Drone and Phone fans who came and said hello. Please come and say hello. If you see us out on the trails, it always gives us a bit of a lift. Right, let's keep going.
You make it the highest among the 8 immortals.
This is the highest, that's the highest, isn't it?
This is the highest.
Oh, is it? Okay. Easy.
Easy?
Well, when it comes to views, right here, you cannot do much better in Hong Kong. I'm looking out over here Pat Sin Leng. This is a ridge that we've just come over, and I'm looking back over there to Shenzhen. And over here we go to Manshan, the Manshan Ridge. We may or may not be doing that later on as one of the hikes that we're going to do. And look at that spectacular mountain right there. And of course over here we have Taimoshan and Cloudy Hill in the foreground, and then just mountain after mountain after mountain in the background. And then here we have this amazing sweep of Shenzhen, which you may not be able to see very well in the gloom here on the wide angle lens, but from what I'm seeing you see pretty well the whole city laid out in front of you. A fantastic place to get a great view. Be aware at the end of the hike, when you get to the Kowtow Reservoir, there is still a little more walking to do to get to a bus stop that will get you back to Taipo Market. Well, that's the end of this episode. It's been, well, a little tougher than the previous ones. Yeah. What do you think, George?
It's a really long walk, lots of ups and downs. Yeah, but overall it's a pleasant hike.
Okay, yeah. We've done about 11 kilometers in total, so not that long, George, but okay. Now, as always, if you like this show, please like and subscribe. Particularly if you're watching YouTube, please hit that subscribe and the notification button as well. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm George.
And this is Drone and Phone. Okay, your clue for next week, George?
Okay, there's 3 words. Tie my shoes.
Tie my shoes. Sounds a bit like tie my shoes. I don't know where he got that from. It is a tall mountain, let's put it this way. And we're going to try and conquer it as it ranks number 7 in our top 10 list. If you think you know what it is,
comment down below.
Comment down below.